Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube guitar chords lesson. Today I will show you the guitar chords lesson for the one regional Odia song from the movie Swapna Saagar. This particular song is based on 2 to 3 chords only. This particular song is written, composed and sung by legendary singer late Mr. Akshay Mahanti. I have got so many requests regarding for the Odia and regional songs. So today I will show you this particular song since it is a very good and popular song from the music of Akshay Mahanti. So let us start first the chords required for the song particularly. The song is based on particularly 2 to 3 chords that is D minor and B flat and you can also play here also higher octave also D minor and B flat, and in some antara part you may also require to know C minor. So the chords pattern is very easy. The chords is very easy because whenever Akshay Mahanti is composing their songs, he only uses very simple chords, and also that is why the songs are very popular. So let us start the strumming pattern for this particular song. The strumming pattern is very straightforward and also as my previous lessons you must have seen, the chords pattern is very straightforward and easy as per the only the up and down motion. So let us start how the chords will be carry on. So see how the chords are starting. And also you can play here also. If you play here in the lower octave, then the same pattern will be followed by as you done in higher octave also the same pattern, just but from the sounding, but the sound effect is something different from the higher octave, like this. See, if you see the only up and down motion of the plectrum, nothing else. See, again I am showing in the higher octave. See, mark my plectrum position of my right hand.